After reading the article about the space mission that NASA did, a couple things that I saw and came to understand that they could have done differently was, first off, I think they rushed everything way too much. Even though the engineers are saying we shouldn't do it, they were under a lot of pressure because the vice president was going to come down and see this launch. So they had a lot of pressure and a lot of expectation they needed to fill, and so they rushed it. It was too cold. They should have not even took off the rocket. That was the first mistake that they. It was such a. The pressure they were under was just too big, in the sense that they overcomplicated it, and they just ran it way too early than they should have actually left out the rocket. And that's something that they could have done differently, was just delayed it until it was the right time and the right conditions to shoot off the rocket. And then Roger Boys-Joly, I don't know how to say that. For me, he did everything correctly. Like, he told the head manager that they shouldn't go ahead. He let everyone know that it wasn't the right time to do it, but yet they still went ahead and did the mission. And for me, I think that was like, he was doing his job. Like, he did everything correctly in my point of view. He told the managers that they shouldn't do it because it was too cold. And that's something that I saw that I think he did a great job. He was working well with his fellow coworker, and he just let the manager know that it wasn't the right time. And how I see my future engineering professional responsibilities in relation to both being loyal to management and protecting the public welfare, I think it's literally the same thing. Like, you have to do your job and let everyone know, or let your boss know when it's like, when there's problems, if they should go ahead or if they shouldn't. You just have to do your job to be loyal to the management. You're not going behind anyone's back. You're telling everyone that what the problem is, if there even is a problem, whatever job you're working at, and then you're also protecting the public welfare, because you're letting everyone know, you're letting your managers know that they shouldn't go ahead with this engineering. Honestly, like, it's really, you have to have both. Like, you have to be loyal to your bosses, to your managers, but you also have to protect. So by just doing your job to the best of your abilities, I feel like you're completing with both of those requirements of being loyal and also protecting the public welfare. But other than that, that's what I saw after reading the Space Shuttle Challenger. It's a very sad mission, but we learn from what we have and we go on.